कितने दिन से पेपर स्टार्ट हो गए? Then you have to consult from your subject teacher if you are having any problem. Kritika, any problem?
मैम
Kritika?
मैम जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है चैप्टर 4 के, मैम वो खुद कर सकते हैं?
You can do by yourself, but we have to discuss with this, okay? Now, please open your book, chapter number 4, question answer. First, we will finish this topic, then we will move on the a new topic, chapter number 5, Jhalkari. Okay? Let's discuss the question answers. I'm sharing to the screen. When I'm reading the question answers, pay attention. And then I will share the screen with you. Okay? Okay. One by one, just raise your hand if you know the answer, or you can write in the chat box. No need to write a complete answer. Just give me a brief introduction about that, okay? If the answer is long. Raise your hand if you know the answer. What are the 3 things the poet says he will do for the Lakshmi? Karna? Tanmay? Tanmay Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, switch on your camera, everyone. Please, I request you again. No need to switch off your camera. अपना camera on रखो. So, Paul, I have to see your faces. What you have done up. Tanmay, you know the answer of question number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, the poet says, I will light my lamp for you, Lakshmi. I will drive away the darkness.
Okay. One more thing, Tanmay. You have saying na I will. So I will. I refers to you. So you have to give the answer like this. The three things the poet says he will do for the Lakshmi. What 3 things? He will light the lamp and
The 3 things the poet will do for Lakshmi, he will light his lamp for Lakshmi. He will welcome Lakshmi into
he will
his home.
welcome Goddess Lakshmi. Bolo beta, don't worry. He will welcome Lord Lakshmi into his home. And third thing? Yes, Abhi. Third thing, what he will do?
Chanting pray.
Chanting pray.
No, ma'am.
Very nice. Abhi? Daksh, what will third thing he will do for the Goddess Lakshmi? Daksh. Who will tell me the complete answer, Karnav?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Karnav.
Yes, ma'am.
The poet says the three things he will do for the Lakshmi. First thing is he will light a lamp. Second, he will welcome him into his home. And third thing, आप क्या करते हो? What you do at Diwali? Saurav, you know the answer? Diana? Diana. Answer me.
Yes, ma'am. The three things poet says he will do for Lakshmi are he will light lamp for Lakshmi. Second thing, welcome Lakshmi from every window. And third thing,
He will make a rangoli patterns on the floor. You have seen the rangoli patterns, he will the shadow across the dark brown. Any three things you can write, okay? Okay, next second question. Why do people light a lamp during a Diwali? What happened to those people who do not light a lamp during Diwali? It's a very general question. Who will answer me? Rishi? Rishi, answer me.
मैम
Hmm?
मैम बिकॉज उस दिन महावस थी.
बेटा, why do people light a lamp during Diwali? क्यों लैम्प करते हैं? To remove the darkness.
यस मैम.
एक सिंपल सा just use the logic. Why we lamp अपन दिवाली के दिन लैम्प क्यों जलाते हैं? To remove all the darkness, ना? The people light a lamp to remove the darkness. And what happened to those people who do not light the lamp during the Diwali? People who do not light the lamp during Diwali, darkness hunts them. Darkness hunts them is refers to that bad luck. You can say that a lack of success into their life. Okay. Question number 4. Sorry, third. Explain the first stanza of the poem. I like to explain this. Vishti, Manju, you will answer me. Unmute yourself first of all. Manju, answer me. Explain the first stanza of the poem.
Ma'am.
Read the two lines. Come on, read the 2 lines from your book and explain me.
winter stalks us like a leopard in the mountains. Tempting prey.
Tempting
prey.
prey. Prey means what the winter struck us. What the winter struck us. What's the meaning of strucks? It is the line of winter just entering. It is the starting of the winter season. Yes. It is the starting of the winter season. Or the poet want to say in the first stanza, it is a time of the winter season, and it looks as a leopard is wandering in the mountain in a search of the food, or in a search of an animal to kill, to hunt it. You can write in your own words. Leopard क्या कर रहा था? He was wandering in the mountains in the winter season. Next question. Why are the trees bare in the winter season? It is a very logical question. It's not as regarding to your poem. It's only in a, you have to give in a journal way. Why are the trees bare in the winter? Bare, what's the meaning of bare? Bare means uncovered. क्यों सर्दियों में पेड़ के पे पत्तियां जो होती है leaves uncovered हो जाती, क्यों झड़ जाती है? Why? What is the scientific reason or what is the reason for that? You have read it in your science book. Last year भी पढ़ा होगा कहीं ना कहीं. What you know that the 4 type of seasons: spring, winter, autumn, and rainy season. So what is the purpose of that? In the winter season, the leaves has uncovered from the trees. What is the reason? Just write in the chat box what you know about the winter season. Just write any 2 or 2 words about it. क्या कारण रहता है? हाँ? Water and energy. It is a specific reason conserve water and energy. Okay, pick up the word that the night in the word is night related. Just check with each other. What is the name of Anshama? It's out from my class right now. Coming to you, but I'm not a single word. That's why. The word night refers to the darkness, night, shadow, sombering, night. Okay, I'm doing the thing. Now the PDF of the question, sir. Take a screenshot of it. Antika Bharti. Palak. Palak, my voice is coming to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just take us now. Question number 1. What are the 3 things the poet says he will do for the Lord Lakshmi? The 3 things the poet will do for the goddess Lakshmi. He will light a lamp to welcome Lakshmi into his home. Invite her from every one window. And third thing, decorate the floor from Rangoli pattern. Or you can write one more thing from this line. In a second paragraph, देखो, I will light a lamp for the Lakshmi, drive away the darkness, welcome you into Lakshmi, beckon away, call you from every window with a light that blazes. You can write one more line at here. Like Lakshmi into his home, invite her from every window and light the
Light and decorated the floor from Rangoli
light
pattern.
decorated, or you can say that the light that blazes means the light in a huge, decorated with a lots of light, or in a huge, blazes means a very large. Okay, but no, just write that answer only. Decorate the floor from the Rangoli pattern. Okay, done. Just everyone write in the chat box if you have taken a screenshot of the question number 1. Now, second question. Why do the people light a lamp during Diwali? What happened to those people who do not light the lamp during Diwali? People believe that Lakshmi blesses a home that is lit up with a lamp. जो भी घर दिवाली के दिन रोशन रहते हैं, as a lots of light of lamps, क्या करते हैं? God Lakshmi को क्या देती है? Blessings with during Diwali. And people who do not light lamps, light a lamp during Diwali, the darkness hunt them. People and darkness hunt them, and their life have lack of success. That you can write in your own words also. It's not necessary कि आपको जो मैं लिखवा रही हूँ वो ही लिखो. You can write in your own words. Remember one thing. Explain the first stanza of the poem. In the first stanza of the poem, poet tells us about the time of starting winter. In the winter, leopard is wandering in the mountain in the search of food, and it can smell an animal for hunting. Question number 4. Why are the trees bare in the winter? The trees are bare in the winter because shedding leaves help trees to conserve water and energy so that the trees can survive in the winter arrives. Now, fifth question. Pick out the words that are associated with the night in the poem. देखो, darkness, sombri means also the darkness. I have told you the word. Shade
Yes,
and shadow. I hope all of you have taken the screenshot of it. Now, those who want the chapter number 3 question answers, I'm sharing it also. And please
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes.
मैम नाइट के लिए कोल्डनेस भी तो यूज कर सकते हैं.
You can use the word night के लिए coldness भी ऐसा तो lots of words are there बेटा. You can use a light also. It is related to each another ना. कौन कौन these words है? It's up to you. I have written only 5 words. You can find out more words from your poem. Okay.
Okay मैम.
Now the chapter number 3rd question answer. Just have a look. And you will get all your written material. जितना भी आपके जो question answers है, PDF है, you will get from your school website. Now please stop asking about ma'am ये रह गया, वो रह गया. All the work is uploaded there. Okay. You can first 2 question. Third and 4th question. Describe the stranger who entered the shop. What did he want? The stranger looked a peculiar, strange or unusual. He was wearing a loose suit and shiny shoes. I hope done. And the 5th.
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही है.
Hi. Screen is not coming.
मैम ब्लैक सा आ रहा है था. Yes
Fourth
मैम now.
question. And the 5th question. Freedom is a man's most precious possession. How? I hope done. Last question. Done?
Yes ma'am.
A new chapter of our book from English Reader. The chapter name is Jhalkari. You all know that a Jhalkari Bai. कभी सुना है झांसी की रानी का नाम सुना है? Have you listened the name of the Indian warrior lady? Rani
Yes
Lakshmi
ma'am.
Bai. Yes.
Yes ma'am.
Rani Lakshmi. बेटा आई विल प्रोवाइड आपको जिसको भी जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स चाहिए यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम द स्कूल वेबसाइट. वहां पे हर एक चीज अपलोडेड है. ओके. This is a chapter about the Jhalkari Bai, an Indian warrior lady, or you can say the companion of the Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, you all know that the Lakshmi Bai was a very greatest freedom fighter of women history in Indian women history. She was a warrior of the lady, and she has fought against the British. In this lesson, we will discuss about the Jhalkari Bai. Jhalkari Bai was a lady who has taken a part in a Indian rebellion in 1857. आपको याद है? You know that the fight against 1857 Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. आप लोगों ने मंगल पांडे and lots of movies are there. You have watched it. आपने देखी होगी. 1857 की जो रिवॉल्यूशन, जो क्रांति आई थी उस समय, मंगल पांडे, झांसी लक्ष्मीबाई एंड ऑल वर देयर। तो इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है किसका? झांसी लक्ष्मीबाई का। इट इज अ स्मॉल स्टोरी अबाउट द झलकारी बाई। इसमें क्या एक स्टोरी है, एंड शी वाज झलकारी बाई वाज अ lady who has played an important role in the Rani Lakshmibai army, and she has contributed her life and sacrificed her life for her. How? You will read in this chapter. Daksh, I don't know the Daksh. Daksh, sit properly. No need to sit. Okay. Jhalkari Bai was shown as a soldier, as the women soldier. Jhalkari Bai as shown as a women soldier who played an important role in the Indian rebellion of 1857. उन्होंने क्या, झलकारी बाई ने important role play किया था किसमें? 1857 की जो झांसी लक्ष्मीबाई की जो वॉर हुई थी, क्रांति जो समय आई थी उसमें। She survived. She served and survived her life. She served the women army of Rani Lakshmibai. उन्होंने क्या किया था? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की जो आर्मी थी उसको क्या किया था? She had served it of the Jhansi Lakshmibai prominent as the advisor to the Queen of Rani Lakshmibai and the advisor of the Queen Lakshmibai. ये तो छोटा सा हो गया इनके बारे में information, and I will show you the Jhalkari Bai was renowned of being a women warrior also, and she played a crucial role in 1857 of Battle of Jhansi. Just note in your copy, or in the book. She played an important role. Then, in 1857, she has played an important role in 1857 Battle of Jhansi. She was regarded to be the Rani Lakshmibai body trouble. Because her similarities in looks, courage and determination. एक quality थी झांसी जो झलकारी बाई थी, क्या quality थी? She having a quality of, and she was regarded to be a Jhansi Lakshmibai body trouble. Body trouble means she looks the same. Body trouble. She looks the same of the Jhansi Lakshmibai. Similarities in looks. Similarities क्या थी? जो Jhansi Lakshmibai are having a similarities of Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmi. I कैसे कहते? How? First for the courage. Looks. के अंदर जो एनर्जी का लुक्स, उनकी जो फिजिकल अपीयरेंस एंड डिटर्मिनेशन, you can say that. ये क्वालिटी है इसकी झलकारी बाई की। और फिर क्या होता है, and she having a small story about that in this chapter. झलकारी was an orphan. She was orphan means no parents. She died without a parents, and she was born in 22 November 1830 at the age of 27. She at the time of the death, 27 age में क्या हुआ था? उनकी डेथ हो गई थी। And Jhalkari lost her mother very young and raised by his father. And suddenly father was also lost, and after some in early age she had get married to a person who went to the Jhansi. Jhalkari Bai was an orphan woman, and in early age she was lost his parents. And what happened? And the villagers said, उनके बारे में क्या कहते थे villagers? I'm only giving you the introduction. मैं chapter reading होंगी आज. सिर्फ I will give you a brief summary about the story, and we will read the chapter in our next class. Okay? You will also find out the hard word. Note in your diary. Everyone, just note in your diary. Note in your diary or your homework first. Read the chapter number 5. Mark the hard words. Now, Jalkari Bai and the people of the village said that she had found alone with the tiger. उसने क्या किया था? अकेले एक हाथ से बिता a stick. She had fighted with the tiger and all her name was Jalkari as the tigress. उनका जो nickname क्या रख दिया था? Tigress. She was the tiger. कहते ना शेरनी थी, झांसी की रानी. आपने ना you have listened the poem of the Jhansi Lakshmi Bai also. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वाली झांसी वाली रानी थी. And now you have read this poem. कहीं तो सुना होगा. Same as Jalkari Bai, and she was in the village time. एक दिन एक incident हुआ था. She was in the jungle, killed alone by tiger, and after that the villagers had given her name a nickname Tigress. क्या नाम दे दिया था tigress का name. And after some time she was met with a soldier in the army of Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. और रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की रानी में से एक सोल्जर से क्या हुई थी? उनकी शादी हुई. And he went to the Jhansi. And after the Jhansi, then she was wandering there and she had the chance to see her meet up with the Rani Jalkari Bai. Jalkari Bai से कौन मिलती? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई मिलती है. And she उसके बिहेवियर से, उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से, उसके डिटर्मिनेशन से, करेज से she was fully impressed. अब वो क्या हो जाती है? जो रानी लक्ष्मी fully impressed हो जाती है उनसे. And she have been up after that. She have best friends. One was Rani Lakshmi Bai and Jalkari Bai. वो दोनों best friend बन जाती हैं. And Jalkari Bai was became a advisor of the Rani Lakshmi Bai also. उनकी क्या बन जाती है? Advisor. Then सिलेंडर क्या होता है? You know that 1857 की रिवॉल्यूशन जो क्रांति हुई, जो बैटल मूवमेंट का झांसी का, उसमें ब्रिटिश आर्मी ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने क्या किया था? झांसी पे अटैक कर दिया था. आपने थोड़ा बहुत कुछ थोड़ी सुनी होगी कि ब्रिटिश झांसी पे क्या किया था? अटैक कर दिया था. एंड झांसी लक्ष्मी बाई के जो सोल्जर्स थे, दे ऑल फाउट द ब्रेवरी एंड समथिंग. एंड ब्रिटिश इंडिया कंपनी जो थी, जो उनके हेड थे, जो भी थे, जो ट्रुप्स थे, ऑफिसर्स थे, वो क्या चाह रहे थे? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को मारना. दे वांट टू किल रानी लक्ष्मीबाई anyhow, any chance, by hook or by crook. By hook, by crook. What is the motive of East India Company or the Indian British Army to kill the Rani Lakshmibai and to be, or they have tried a lot of tricks. And one thing suddenly क्या हुआ था कि एक कैरेक्टर और इसके अंदर दुलर राजा दुलारजी ठाकुर ने क्या किया? झांसी. और झांसी के साथ क्या धोखा किया? He was gateman of, I think, first gateman, South Gate of Fort. जो किला था ना झांसी का, जो था उसके साउथ गेट का वो क्या था? इंचार्ज था. और ब्रिटिश कंपनी ने उसके साथ धोखे से कुछ डील करके दुलारजी ठाकुर और उनको कुछ मनी और कुछ टोकन दे दिया. एंड ही हैज एंटर्ड द ब्रिटिश इंडिया कंपनी इन द झांसी. और ब्रिटिश इंडिया कंपनी ने क्या किया? उनके जो सोल्जर्स थे इसमें एंटर हो गए, झांसी में एंटर हो गए. एंड हैविंग अ वेरी ग्रेट फाइट विद द ब्रिटिश इंडिया कंपनी एंड झांसी. वॉर उनके बीच में बहुत सारे कंपैरिजन थे, दोनों सोल्जर्स के बहुत सारा फाइट हुई. एंड सडनली क्या हुआ? द सिचुएशन बीइंग वेरी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. सिचुएशंस क्या हो गई? वेरी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो गई थी. एंड ऑल वांट टू सेव रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. और सब लोग क्या चाहते थे? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को बचाना चाह रहे थे. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को बचाने तो ज़लकारी बाई शी हैविंग, मैंने क्या बोला? शी हैविंग अ लुक, करेज एंड डिटरमिनेशन एट द बॉडी ट्रबल. बॉडी ट्रबल मींस कि जस्ट ऐसे कहते हैं ना किसी ब्लॉक होना. तो ज़लकारी बाई वो तो जेरोक्स ऑफ रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. और शी हैविंग एन आइडिया. उसके बाद क्या आइडिया आया कि झांसी लक्ष्मीबाई को बचाने का? उन्होंने लक्ष्मीबाई को बोला जस्ट लेफ्ट दिस फोर्ट, इस किले को आप छोड़ के जस्ट रिमूव फ्रॉम इट, आप झांसी से बाहर निकल जाओ और फिर आप कैसे भी करके, तो झांसी, शी वाज नॉट एग्री फॉर दैट, बट नहीं, आफ्टर द फोर्स फ्रॉम द आर्मी एंड जलकारी इनकी फोर्स कर रानी लक्ष्मीबाई है फोर्ट, उनसे गेट से वो क्या हो जाती है, पार्ट हो जाती है, चली जाती है। एंड जो जलकारी बाई वाज डिस्गाइज्ड, मतलब कि किसके वेश में, वो एक्चुअली चेंज हरसेल्फ इन रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, उन्होंने रानी लक्ष्मीबाई के कपड़े पहन लिए और ये एक्चुअली चेंज हरसेल्फ। कनेक्ट? I will speak slowly, don't worry. I'm reading brief introduction about the chapter. और फिर झांसी लक्ष्मी बाई तो चली गई थी, जलकारी बाई की मेन कैरेक्टर था, उसने क्या किया, उसने अपने आप डिस्गाइज कर लिया, उसने अपने आप को किस रूप में चेंज कर लिया, डिस्गाइज herself in रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, और अपने आप को किस तरीके से चेंज कर लिया रानी लक्ष्मी बाई। And she had wear her clothes, उसने अपने आप को clothes पहन लिए and taken her whole, है ना, उसके जो fort and she was as similar as रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, and she have given save to रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, and British soldiers ने क्या सोचा कि she is the रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, और British soldiers को क्या हो गया, धोखा हो गया, and she have captured her, she have arrested जलकारी बाई as she was रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, लक्ष्मी बाई अरेस्टेड कर लिया किसको, जलकारी बाई को। एंड फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, सोल्जर्स ने, ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स ने दुलारजी राव ठाकुर को बुलाया टू कंफर्म दैट शी इज अ बाई और नॉट। क्या कहते हैं, नो, शी इज अ जलकारी बाई एंड द फ्रेंड of the Indian army of Jhansi. She is a very brave lady and the advisor of the Rani Lakshmi Bai. And the jo Jhalkari Bai thी, she having a very courage and determination, and she is a very strong lady. And she has shouted on the Dularji Thakur. उन्होंने उनको डांटा, you coward, you betrayed. people ने किसी तरह अपनी आर्मी के साथ धोखा किया है, तो और फिर उसको बोला कि नहीं ये तो जलकारी बाई है, और शी इज नॉट। फिर एक और चीज भी, एट दैट टाइम दुलारी ठाकुर ने ब्रिटिश सोल्जर्स को क्या बोला, अमंग द हमें सारा सच्चाई बता देगी कि मैंने इस साल खोला था, इन एवरीथिंग, एंड इट विल हार्मफुल मी दैट द टाइम द ब्रिटिश सोल्जर हैड हैंग्ड हर टू द डेथ, वो उसे क्या दे देते हैं, फांसी दे देते हैं, किसको, जलकारी को। एंड शी हैड सैक्रिफाइस्ड हर लाइफ फॉर झांसी एट द लास्ट वर्ड, एंड शी वाज शाउटेड, क्या वर्ड बोला, लॉन्ग लिव इन इंडिया, लॉन्ग लिव लक्ष्मी बाई, लॉन्ग लिव फ्रीडम। आई होप इट इज वेरी स्मॉल, छोटी, जो इसका कंक्लूजन क्या है, झांसी की रानी और जलकारी बाई वाज अ फ्रेंड एंड एडवाइजर ऑफ अ, और टू सेव रानी लक्ष्मी बाई, रानी लक्ष्मी बाई को बचाने के लिए जलकारी बाई हैड सैक्रिफाइस्ड हर लाइफ, जलकारी सैक्रिफाइस्ड हर लाइफ फॉर द लक्ष्मी बाई एंड द झांसी। She had changed and disguised herself as Rani Lakshmi Bai, and it had been cheated, or you can say by the to make a fool to the British army. British army को धोखा देने के लिए उन्होंने अपने आप को क्या किया, झांसी लक्ष्मीबाई के रूप में चेंज कर लिया था, और ब्रिटिश आर्मी को कैप्चर कर लिया, अरेस्टेड कर लिया, एंड कॉल्ड हर दुलारजी ठाकुर कंफर्म अबाउट दैट, एंड रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने इज द एडवाइजर ऑफ द जलकारी बाई, और अपना ट्रुथ बचाने के लिए दुलारजी राव ठाकुर हैज सेड टू द ब्रिटिश सोल्जर किल हर। At that time, British soldier had hanged her, and she had died. Okay. Now, I will read this chapter in the next class. Only the introduction about the chapter. Anyone having a query, you can ask me. Abhi, Saurabh. Saurav?
Ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
सिर्फ आज हमने चैप्टर को एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है. आई ओनली टेल यू द समरी ऑफ द लेसन. आपको इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है. व्हाट इज द चैप्टर नेम?
Ma'am, chapter name is JHALA.
झलकारी. झलकारी बाय झलकारी. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द लेसन?
Jalkari.
झलकारी. If you have been stopped, देखो क्या नाम है? झलकारी. झलकारी. What is the name of the lesson? झलकारी. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
झलकारी. झलकारी. Okay? Who was she when? किसकी एडवाइजर थी वो? Saurav? She was advisor of food. Karna? Jalkari Bhai was advisor of? कहाँ खोए रहते हैं हम? किसकी एडवाइजर थी? झलकारी बाई किसकी?
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई.
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. वेरी गुड. शी वॉज एडवाइजर ऑफ द रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. हाउ डिड शी बिकम अ फ्रेंड? कैसे फ्रेंड बने थे वो? Diana, how they become a friend?
Ma'am, मेरे को आगे clear नहीं थी.
They were met at somewhere, and when the Jhansi Lakshmibai, Rani Lakshmibai have seen the courage and determination and strength nature of Jalkari Bai, and it impressed to the Rani Lakshmibai, and they have become a friend. After that, she have been a part of the Jhansi Lakshmibai army also. Parth. Parth Aswar. Parth, my voice is coming through?
Yes, ma'am.
In the battle of the which year?
Ma'am, Rani Lakshmibai.
Rebellion of किस टाइम की क्रांति थी ये?
Ma'am, 1980.
हाँ? 1980? 1857.
1857.
Parth, just give me the introduction about the lesson and read it from your book.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, है ना? Ma'am, स्कूल वाले सर ने मैम हमें कहा था कि है ना कि मैम ऐसे कहा था कि आप है ना 1 जुलाई के आगे का काम करना, पीछे का मत करना.
मैं क्या कह रही हूँ अभी? What I am saying to you, just read the chapter number 5 of paragraph about the lesson from your book, page number 29. Just be attentive in the class. Who need to? It's very bad if you are behaving in the class, right? Read it from your book.
Jalni was on. She was a bold and fair little girl who loved to climb the tree and swim in the river and play the game that people call.
1 minute. First of all, read the chapter, lesson number 5. The name of the lesson is Jalkari. About the lesson, in the story, the writer stresses about. ऐसे read करो, come on.
Jalkari she was a bold and false little girl who loved to climb trees and swim the river and play the game that people call boys games. The village liked her for she was a winning worker and could stand long hours of strain and hardship. They often told the story of time when she has fought and looked single-handed in the jungle and
It's your homework today. Please pay attention what I'm saying you. You will read regular basis in half an hour. रोज half an hour reading लगाओगे आप. SST, English, Science, any book. Okay? A 1 page daily basis पे. Palak Sadhwani. Just read the chapter number 5 about the lesson.
Ma'am, in the story, the writer stress about the woman are as important role in the freedom. In his story, bravery and intelligence of Jhalkari Bai is shown, which was the soldier of Rani Lakshmi Bai army.
What do you understand from this chapter about the lesson? क्या समझ में आया इसको आपने read किया? Please explain me. Palak, what do you understand, बेटा? Jhalkari Bai in the story, the stress is about किस चीज के बारे में story है ये?
Freedom.
Freedom and about the women are the important in society as man. कैसे? How? The women are the important in the society as man. You know that women play a different role in the society. एक जनरल बात बताओ. Women plays a different role in the society. How? Who will tell me the answer? कैसे role play करती है society के अंदर? How your mom play a role at your home? What is the role of your mom? मम्मा क्या करती है घर पे आपके लिए?
Making food.
Making food. What about one day if your mom is not there? क्या होगा अगर एक दिन आपकी मम्मा के पास नहीं है तो? Get disturbed. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
The women plays a different role in society. How? She plays a role as a mother. She plays a role of a sister. She plays a role of a wife. She plays a role of as a grandmother. She plays a this women in outer area. She plays a role in same as in the home and in office. आपको पता है एक ऑलराउंडर जिसे कहते हैं वो women होती है. She can play every type of role without any hesitation. She plays a very different roles. एक mom का role देख लो, चाहे आज एक I'm just saying a simple thing. You play as a sister role to your brother. You know, your mom plays a role for you. Your grandmother. Your mom, if she is in a working lady, so she plays a role in the office also. What the type of work she is doing, and she is handling the home also. हर एक चीज एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई है. Same in this chapter. कहते हैं ना कि it is not necessary कि man, I am not giving up. मैं ये मत सोचना boys कि I am denying you. But if we are just, the girls are also similar to you. ये एक debate वाली बात हो जाती है. Okay? The women as the same, the women plays an important role in the society as a man. जैसे एक मैन सोसाइटी में रोल प्ले करता है वैसे ही आज के टाइम में लेडी ऑल्सो. plays a role in the society. It is an example of the Jalkari Bai. She was a companion of the Jhansi Lakshmi army. वो क्या थी? झांसी लक्ष्मी बाई की companion army का एक part थी.
मैम इट मीन्स अगर झलकारी बाई अभी लक्ष्मी बाई का नहीं लेती, वो जैसी लक्ष्मी बाई थी, तो जो दिखाया था वो रानी लक्ष्मी बाई को मार देते.
शायद maybe it can happen. And what अगर उस समय ही रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की डेथ हो जाती तो she didn't get a freedom of 1857 की जो क्रांति रिबेलियन हुई थी, जो क्रांति आई थी उस समय तो लॉट्स ऑफ बैटल, वो जो सिचुएशन हमारे सर्कमस्टेंसेस कुछ और होते इन द स्टोरी. और इस स्टोरी में ब्रेवरी, इंटेलिजेंस, ब्रेवरी कैसे, शी हैज रेडी टू फेस द ब्रिटिश आर्मी अलोन. अकेले उसने क्या किया था, ब्रिटिश आर्मी को सामना करने के लिए तैयार हो गई थी. शी हैव सैक्रिफाइस हर लाइफ. इंटेलिजेंस कैसे, उसको पता था कि मेरे लुक्स किसकी तरह हैं, झांसी लक्ष्मीबाई की तरह. और उसके दिमाग में सडनली क्या आइडिया आया, शी हैव डिस्गाइज्ड हरसेल्फ, और अपने आप को किसने चेंज कर लिया, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई में. एंड टू चीट और टू गेट to give a cheat, you can say that to cheat the British army, get a hook or crook, by hook or by crook, anyhow.
ये कोई और नहीं, मेरा ही है आपका नहीं.
Jalkari Bai, shown which was the soldier of the Rani Lakshmibai army. Okay, now your homework, you will read the chapter. We will read this chapter again in the class with the explanation, with the hard words. Now today we have done the question answer of the chapter number 4 and the brief introduction about the lesson. और मुझे जहाँ तक लग रहा है all you are aware what is the lesson about chapter number 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And just take a break for the 5-7 minutes, and Shashi ma'am will join you for your, and be ready with your GK book. Okay? Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Take care. Just take a break for the 5 minutes and come back with the energetic way. Shashi ma'am.